Welcome back to Fixing Expert. In today's video, we'll be sharing some fantastic eco-friendly furniture ideas that are perfect for modern Dubai homes. Whether you're furnishing a new space or redecorating, these sustainable options will make your home look great while helping the environment. Tip 1. Recycled materials. Opt for furniture made from recycled or reclaimed materials. Pieces made from reclaimed wood or metal not only add character but also contribute to reducing waste. Tip 2. Bamboo furniture. Bamboo is a highly sustainable option that grows rapidly, making it perfect for eco-friendly homes. It's durable and stylish, suited for the modern aesthetic. Tip 3. FSC certified wood. When buying wooden furniture, look for FSC certified wood. This ensures that the wood comes from responsibly managed forests, maintaining a balance between luxury and sustainability. Tip 4. Natural upholstery fabrics. Natural fabrics like organic cotton, wool, or hemp are great eco-friendly upholstery options. They are renewable, non-toxic, and bring an elegant, cozy touch to any home. Shop now. If you're ready to furnish your home sustainably, visit fixingexpert.ae. Explore our range of eco-friendly furniture, and let us help you create a beautiful, environmentally conscious home. Why choose Fixing Expert? At Fixing Expert, we prioritize sustainability without compromising on style. Our furniture is crafted from high-quality, eco-friendly materials designed to last. Plus, we offer personalized recommendations to ensure that your furniture choices suit both your home's aesthetic and your eco-conscious values. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more expert home decor tips. Visit fixingexpert.ae for all your sustainable furniture needs. See you next time.